Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method on the Costco app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add a payment method on the Costco app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Costco app. Next, click on Account on the bottom middle hand side. Then once you're on this page here, scroll down and then click on Payment Methods. Once you click on Payment Methods and give it a couple of seconds to load, you should be able to see all your payment methods here. So if you scroll down, click on Edit next to where it says Costco Wallet. And then this is where you could actually go ahead and save a new card and add a new payment method. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a payment method on the Costco app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.